In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default view in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to make Asana open a project in the exact view you prefer every time, saving you clicks and keeping your focus where it matters. First, open your browser and head to the Asana login page. If you normally sign in with Google, click Continue with Google and select your account. If you use another method such as email and password or your company's single sign-on, go ahead and sign in the usual way. The important thing is simply to get into your Asana workspace. Once you're in, open the project where you want to set a default view. You can find it from the left sidebar, the home screen, or by using the search bar at the top. Click the project name to enter its main page. At the top of the project, you'll see the different view tabs, such as List, Board, Timeline, or Calendar. These views are just different ways of looking at the same tasks. List is great for detailed, sortable rows. Board works well for a Kanban-style flow. Timeline helps with scheduling and dependencies, and Calendar gives you date-based visibility. Click the view you want to make your default so it loads fully. Now set it as the default. Move your cursor to the tab for that view and right-click directly on the tab name. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works. On a Mac, you can also hold Control and click. A small menu will appear. Choose Set as default. That's it. From now on, when you open this project, Asana will land you on this view first. A quick note on what this changes. Setting the default view controls which tab opens initially. It doesn't automatically lock in filters, sorting, or field visibility. If you adjust filters or sorting and want everyone to see that layout by default, look for options within the view to save the layout as default for the project. Otherwise, you can still switch views or tweak filters anytime. This just gives you a consistent starting point. If you ever change your mind, repeat the same action on a different view and set that one as the default instead. If the menu doesn't appear, make sure you're right-clicking the View tab itself and that you're doing this on the desktop web app, where the option is easiest to access. Also ensure you have permission to adjust project settings. And that's all there is to it. Set your default view once and enjoy a smoother, more focused workflow every time you open your Asana project.